Hello everyone. Let's talk about important of having a YouTube channel in your phones. A lot of us think that YouTube is an app where you go and watch movies. But at the end of the day, YouTube is an app that make it easy for people to learn, even in your office, in your home, without paying anybody, only with your data. YouTube has made it easy for people around the world to access information so easily. So make sure from today, after watching this video, tell your friends, tell your relatives to go and open a YouTube channel. It will help you to access information, and also it will teach you what you don't know. YouTube has come to stay, and it's going to be there forever. And it's going to be teaching people, enlightening people in some critical things. YouTube is not meant for movies, and also it's a very easy access of learning. YouTube has made it easy for everybody to access information around the world. As I'm speaking to you now, apart from learning from my parents or learning from anybody in life, YouTube is my one-on-one teacher. YouTube has become my one-on-one teacher. I learn a lot from YouTube. So make sure from today you go and open a YouTube channel and start learning the skills from YouTube. It will help you a lot because it's a big platform where everybody is into, where everybody goes to search for information. Anything you don't know how to do, once you go to YouTube and type that thing, the video about that thing will come out. That's to tell you how big YouTube is. That's to tell you how big YouTube is. So if you want to learn anything, if you want to start learning something, you don't have money to go and pay a professional, start with YouTube. YouTube will make it easy for you to learn so easily. So if this is your first time watching this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, on the notification button for our next video. YouTube has become a very big platform for everybody. Make sure from today you own a YouTube channel and start getting information from it. It is very important you do so.